Hello everyone. Today we will see uh, the unoccupied bed. Yesterday we have seen the bed making. So there are the types of beds. So one by one we have to see. Occupied bed, unoccupied bed we will see today. Unoccupied bed means there is a no patient, or we can say in a open bed, in a closed bed. That means there is a no patient, and when we are making the bed for a receiving of the no, we just make the bed when the patient is over, patient has gone and bed is empty. So this is the closed bed, is an empty bed in which the top cover are arranged that all linen beneath the spread is fully protected from the dust and dirt. While waiting for the patient, we are preparing the bed and we are waiting for the patient. An unoccupied bed is an empty bed, we can say, and is fully covered with a counterpane to protect it from dust and dirt. Counterpane is after the bed sheet or after the preparation of full bed sheet, we will cover the bed for any other color bed sheet so that it will be protected from the dust and dirt. The purpose of the closed bed is, or unoccupied bed is, to give a clean, comfortable bed, to keep the bed ready for the admission and to keep ready for any emergency, to protect the bed from dust and dirt, to give a room neat and tidy appearance. Yes, it is very important to give the room neat and tidy appearance to make a closed bed. Then general instructions to make the bed is: used clean and uniform linen. Avoid the linen from touching uniform or a floor. Then use the principles of the body mechanics to prevent the wrinkles. Pull linen tight or they are tucked. Equipment what we need for this procedure is the chair, stool, trolley and hampers. 2 dusters we need. Then basin with the water or lotion 1:100 solution. That means 100 ml of water into 1 ml of solution we will pour in that. Mattress protectors, mattress with a cover, long Macintosh, bed sheet 2, that is a bottom sheet and a top sheet. Then pillow with a cover, draw sheet with a Macintosh, blanket if required. If it is a cold, we need the blankets. Then bed spread, counterpane also necessary. Then how we will do the procedure? As each procedure, first we have to clean our hand or wash our hand. The nurse should wash her hand, then collect all the articles on the chair, stool or a trolley. If we have a trolley, keep it all the good linens in a trolley. If we have a chair or stool, manage with that. Remove the bedclothes by folding one by one. Discard the soiled linen into the hamper or buckets. Clean the bed with a wet duster. Spread bottom bed sheet, spread mattress cover, long Macintosh, draw sheet and tuck them on your side. Go to other side and tuck them, because we are alone, so first we have to tuck our side and then we have to go to other side. Then spread the top sheet to the full length on the mattress. Spread blanket over the top sheets, then tuck at the foot end and by the mistaking corners. Keep pillow with the case and place it at the head end. Then spread counterpane to the full length by making the counters. Then after making the bed making, or after prepare the bed, we have to be very careful. That is, we are telling aftercare. Place the bed in a alignment with other beds to add the aesthetics value. That means after preparing the bed, we have to keep the bed in a proper line as all the beds are there in a same room. Lock the bed wheels to prevent the moving of a bed. Yes, some bed has a moving wheels, so we have to, after finishing the bed making, we have to lock the wheels. Otherwise, patient will sit and patient will fall down. That because bed will go back and patient will fall down. Place the bed lockers on a working side of the bed. Then replace the stool under the bed and remove extra equipments from the bedside. Take the bucket or a hamper into the fluid room and wash in dry duster and basin. Wash your hand also. So this was the closed bed or a occupied bed procedure. I think you understand this procedure, and this our T.S. Mishra College of Nursing has a large fundamental lab. Not only the fundamental labs, we have all the labs in a large scale. So this is the best college of nursing or topmost college of nursing in UP. So if you have interest to do the nursing, please come and join, because we have a variety of teachers here from all India level, and we have a big scale of campus. You people may enjoy in this campus for 4 year of nursing, BSc nursing, and 3 year of GNM and 2 year of ANM. If you are interested, please come and join us. And if your relatives, somebody would like to get the admission in that nursing place, so please, most welcome, come and join. And before the 31st of June, before the 31st of July, if you get a admission in this college, 31st of July 2020, if you get the admission, you may get the 10,000 rupees discount also. So we have a great offer also for you. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.